that wasn't in the PowerPoint, sis. So normally on my channel, I come and I do like makeup tutorials on like different models or on myself. But this time, this is a different video. I'm actually in nursing school right now. I just started. This is maybe like the 4th week, but right now we're out of school because of Hurricane Dorian, which never hit, thankfully. But yeah, so I wanted to like track my experiences while I'm in the actual program. It's definitely been real. So my program started August 12th, and for those who are wondering, it is an LPN program. The 3rd day of class we had a test, and then after that, like 2 days later, we had a test, and pretty much it's just been that same kind of like situation. And it'll be like 4 chapters on a test or even more chapters on a test, and then we have like a cumulative exam. And in between doing all that, like I just literally been sleeping and eating. I will find anything else to do but study, and I'll just be sitting there eating. I am working, and that has not been easy. I have to like cut down my hours to only Friday and Saturdays because like it's so hard to go to work and study, and the way that my job is set up, like you can't study there. It's been very like fast-paced. The first 2 sections is like nursing fundamentals, anatomy, and you have geriatrics, and then we start clinicals, and then that's for like 3 weeks, and then we'll go back into class for like another 3 to 4 weeks, and then just kind of like flip-flops like that. When we go back to school, we're going to be like finishing up the rest of anatomy. We have project presentations that we have to do, and then we start geriatrics, and on September 18th we'll be starting clinicals. So that should be fun. I'm definitely looking forward to helping some people, wiping some ass, all that good stuff. So far we had like about 7 tests in the program, and like I said, the program started August 12th. We got our books August 30th, which was last Friday that just passed. So if you could imagine how it is to be in a program and you're taking like all of these tests and you have no books whatsoever. I mean, we did have PowerPoints, but like literally when you were getting that test, you'd be like, that wasn't in the PowerPoint, sis. So that's been like very interesting. I thought I kind of knew how to study, and so far I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Like 1 minute I'm writing notes, next minute I'm reading a PowerPoint, next minute I'm reading through the book, and then I'm writing flashcards. I know that I'm like a visual learner, but I'm also an auditory learner and a kinesthetic learner, so I'm all 3. So I gotta just be doing different things to kind of jog my memory and maybe sing a song or make up something that helps me remember things. You need an 80% in my program in order to stay in the program and advance to the further classes. So right now I have an 89%. I did have a 90 finally, but then I took a test and I got a 76. So yeah, but I am working on that, definitely working on that, and I will get better because I want to, at least I definitely want to be above the 80, of course, because I want to advance, but I really want to get an A and just prove to myself that I really can do it, because I don't know, I just feel like it's important, which it is important. So yeah, I am studying and I'm working towards that A and just being a better student and a better person. If you're also going on your nursing journey as well, like please comment below. Let's be friends, because I need study friends. Like really though, I do want to make a video with like school supplies, because I don't know, like it's something about school supplies, the vibe, the feeling. Maybe it's because I just like school, like when I'm actually interested and I know what I want to do, I like school. And like school supplies just make you so exciting, and like you're opening stuff and you're shopping for stuff. And although I did make sure that I didn't go crazy on the school supplies, because I don't want to be like too excited. I want to be like a balance of excited and like serious, and knowing that I'm actually going to use the stuff that I bought. But yeah, I'm gonna make a school supply video, so please stay tuned for that if you like school supplies and pencils. I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know what, you know, the update is with me and what I'm doing, and I will try to be consistent, but I can't make any promises, because the only thing that I'm really committed to right now is finishing this program, which I've already visualized. And you know, once you visualize it, it's done. Like, but yeah, maybe I will come back and make a video when we're getting ready to start clinicals, just to do like a wrap up of the classes that I took and give an update if anybody is interested. I don't know, but I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate it. If you could please like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for my school supplies video, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you. Bye.